Hi guys, just a quick update on the laws and regulations in Germany for flying a drone. Every drone over a certain weight must have an address label with your name, address, telephone number. Unfortunately, with the size that you're allowed of the label for the DJI, the Phantom, is got to be no more than 35 by 10 millimeters by 1 millimeter thick, and it has to be, as you can see, it's kind of tiny. It has to be placed on the drone right in here. This little part here. It's got to be away from the vents and underneath where the gimbal is. It's only placed on the drone where it's not going to affect your electrics, and it has to be a heat resistant tab. So it's got to be either copper or aluminium engraved. So you can get them quite easily on eBay or on Amazon. I bought mine from Amazon. You get two for about €5 or so. They're not so expensive, but it's going to be a bit fiddly to fit it because you've got to hold the gimbal out of the road while you're putting it on and try to get it so it's quite solid. It's still got a bit of rain. Okay, anyway, I'll let you see when it's finished. As you can see, it's in place now. The label's on. It's actually they're pretty good. They're the ones from Amazon. They are pretty good. It's got a really good adhesive on the back. It's really nice and clear printed, and you can actually see it quite easily, even though it's a tiny label. So anyway, that's me back in compliance with German laws, and let's see how we go from here.